Babulutv.
Hi kids! Before we start, let's practice some lines and curves. One standing line. This is standing line. And this is sleeping line. This is C curve. And this is half circle. And this is slanting line. And this is also one slanting line. Let's draw one circle. And this is one curve. One standing line, one sleeping line, C curve, half circle, slanting line, circle, and curve. Let's start. One slanting line, again one slanting line, and one sleeping line. This is A. One slanting line, again one slanting line, and sleeping line. This is A. Standing line and one half circle, another half circle. This is B. One standing line, one half circle, another half circle. This is B. C curve. This is C curve. C. One standing line and half circle. One standing line and one half circle. This is D. One standing line and sleeping line, again one sleeping line. This is E. One standing line, sleeping line, and sleeping line, and one sleeping line. This is E. Standing line, one sleeping line, again one sleeping line. This is F. One standing line, sleeping line, again one sleeping line. This is F. A, B, C, D, E, F. C curve, extend a little bit, and one sleeping line. This is G. C curve, extend a little bit, and sleeping line. This is G. One standing line, again one standing line, and sleeping line. This is H. One standing line, again one standing line, and sleeping line. H. One sleeping line, one standing line, again one sleeping line. This is I. Sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. I. Sleeping line and one standing line and curve. Sleeping line, standing line and one slight curve. This is J. Standing line, slanting line, again one slanting line. This is K. Standing line, slanting line, again one slanting line, K. One standing line, one sleeping line. This is L. Standing line, sleeping line. This is L. G. H. I. J. K. L. Standing line, again one standing line, slanting line and slanting line. This is M. One standing line, slanting line and slanting line. M. Standing line, again one standing line and slanting line. N. Standing line, slanting line. N. Circle. This is circle. So O. This is O. Standing line and half circle. This is P. One standing line and half circle. P. Let's draw one circle. This is circle and one slanting line. This is Q. Circle and slanting line. Q. Standing line, half circle and slanting line. R. One standing line, half circle and slanting line. This is R. M. This is N. And this is O. P. Q. And R. One C curve and half circle. This is S. C curve and half circle. This is S. One sleeping line and one standing line. T. One sleeping line, one standing line. This is T. One standing line, again one standing line, and one curve. This is U. Two standing line and one curve. This is U. One slanting line, again one slanting line. This is V. One slanting line, again one slanting line. This is V. One standing line, again one standing line, slanting line and slanting line. This is W. Standing line, standing line, slanting line, slanting line. W. One slanting line, again one slanting line. This is X. Slanting line, slanting line. X. Slanting line, again one slanting line and standing line. This is Y. Slanting line and standing line. This is Y. One sleeping line, again sleeping line and slanting line. This is Z. Sleeping line, slanting line. This is Z. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Thank you. Thank you.